How many legs? 4? Are you sure? I think it has more. Let's see. Oh, it has 4 long ones. You're right. Fufu found a cicada shell. Look.
Yeah.
Let's show them where they are. They're on this tree.
Yeah. Them.
And over here.
And one right here.
Yep. It's just the shells. And there's one right there too. Now Fufu has 2. They molted. And they come out of their shell. And they leave their shell behind, hanging onto the tree, just like that. It's pretty cool. And there's some down there. It's awesome, right, Fluffy?
Yeah, but let me tell you more.
Okay, show us.
The one right here.
You love them? They're pretty cool, right?
Love, you can bite them. Or you can bite them. You can bite